Hi everyone, welcome back to Mommy Mouse Clubhouse Recipes. Today we're making a fun and festive holiday dessert, Eggnog Tres Leches Cake. The cake is soaked in a rich eggnog and milk mixture, then topped with whipped cream for the perfect Christmas dessert. You love eggnog and easy holiday desserts? This one is going to be a favorite. Now let's get baking. In a mixing bowl, beat 4 eggs, then add a yellow cake mix, 1 cup of eggnog, a half a cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Beat the batter for 2 to 3 minutes. Pour the cake batter into a greased 9x13 baking dish. Bake the cake at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. While the cake is cooling, whisk together 1/2 cup of eggnog, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. Use a fork to prick holes into the cake. Use a ladle to drizzle the mixture slowly and evenly over the top of the cake. Refrigerate for at least 1 to 2 hours, but preferably overnight. To make the whipped cream, beat together 2 cups of heavy cream, a half a cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until stiff peaks form. Spread the whipped cream over the top of the cake, then sprinkle with cinnamon and nutmeg. Keep the cake refrigerated until ready to serve. Thank you so much for baking with me today. I hope you love this Eggnog Tres Leches Cake. The full recipe is in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at mommymouseclubhouse.com. If you're enjoying these holiday recipes, make sure you're subscribed and have turned on notifications so you don't miss the next delicious recipe. See you next time!